Tayo po ay nagkakatipon ngayon sa harapan ng ating Panginoong Diyos upang pagbuklurin sina kapatid na Jimar Mendez Castro at kapatid na Rachel Damasen Rhea sa pamamagitan po ng banal na pagkakasal.
Shadows grow so long before my eyes, and they're moving across the page. Suddenly the day turns into night, far away from the city. But don't, oh no.
Hi babe! Happy 5th anniversary! This is the last time na magsa-celebrate tayo ng anniversary as boyfriend and girlfriend. Kasi next nating isa-celebrate ay wedding anniversary na. Thank you for being so faithful, loving and caring since day one. As we embark to this new journey as husband and wife, I promise to always be by your side whatever happens. I love you so much.
The moon appears to shine and light the skies with the help of some fireflies.
Babe, ito na yung pinakahihintay natin. Maybe I'm too late to be your first, but right now I'm preparing myself to be your last. Babe, the moment pa lang na una tayong magkita, alam ko sa sarili ko, good things were about to happen. Di ako nagkamali doon, pinaramdam mo sa akin yung saya, kilig, inis, pero pinaka-the best na pinaramdam mo sa akin is yung feeling na mahalin ng sobra-sobra.
Just won't wait, yeah. Ooh, baby, love you every day. I wanna tell you I love you every day. I wanna be with you night and day.
Ang singsing na ito
ay
ibinibigay ko sa iyo
bilang sagisag at pangako ng ating patuloy at nananatiling pag-ibig.
Wish I could buy one out of season, but don't, oh no, hesitate, 'cause your love just won't wait, no. Baby, I love you little way, yeah. I wanna tell you I love you way. I wanna be with you night and day. Oh baby,